nature. Petal hurricane. Spring shower. Can I help you? Are you looking for someone? Their bravery and quick thinking earned them their Winx power. I know, but you are Lilac Vortex! Think we can do this again soon? Without all the fighting and turning into stone, of course. You're leaving? Helia, wait! I've heard of it. It's a magical plant, right? Spring ring! You guys, get out of here! Nice to meet you, Macy. And now, my friends and I are going to get your plant back. I wish I could believe that. If we concentrate, we should be able to feel where we should go. I think the flower of the depths must be on my home planet, Lynthea, and the ocean of flowers. Yes, but we need to be careful. The plants in this part of the ocean are quite wild. Carnivorous. They'll eat you.